School of Rock offers access to exercises from our proprietary method books, as well as over 1,000 great songs. We have method books for guitar, bass guitar, drums, keyboard, and singing. To access this content from anywhere in the application, simply select the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, under Content, select Available. At the top of the Collections page, you'll be able to search for any song, artist, book, exercise, or keyword available in our collection. There is even an advanced tab below the search bar to help you refine your search. By default, some popular songs and exercises are already listed. To see the School of Rock Method app full catalog, select the Show All button. For each song or exercise, you'll see light gray boxes under the title that shows which instruments are available for that specific song or exercise. To view a song or exercise, simply select it. Once in the song or exercise, you should see the available sheet music. Need to see sheet music for a different instrument? No problem. Simply select the drop-down menu in the top right to select a different instrument. Enjoying a School of Rock method book or collection of songs? Add them to your favorites so you can find them again. It's easy. To add an entire method book to your favorites, find it in the Collections page of the app, select it, then use the red circle with the 3 white dots at the bottom right and select Add to Favorites. To make a specific exercise or song a favorite, navigate to that content, select the More button in the bottom right corner, then under the General tab, select Add to Favorites.